Long-term investing or dividend investing? Ano nga bang mas bagay sa'yo? Quick answer, you can actually do both. Pero tara, pag-usapan natin yung pagkakaiba or yung definition nila. Long-term investing, it's a type of investment based on the period or the time. Kaya nga sinabi natin na long-term, ibig sabihin matagal. Gaano katagal? It could be 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years retirement. Dividend investing, on the other hand, is an investment in dividends. So, base ito sa mga assets na nagbibigay ng dividends. Pwede itong sa mutual fund, sa MP2, Pag-ibig MP2, or pwede rin naman sa stock market din. So again, the difference, the long-term investing is based on time, while the dividend investing is based on asset. Which means that pwede mo silang pagsamahin into just one. And yun yung ginagawa ko right now, no? So I am investing long-term doon sa mga stock market companies na nagbibigay ng dividends consistently. A prime example of this is yung mga REITs or Real Estate Investment Trust ng mga companies. Sila kasi every quarter nagbibigay ng dividends and I plan to hold on them for long time or retirement ika nga. So ikaw ba? Gusto mo rin ba yung both?